Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Powered by OptinMonster link on your campaigns. But first, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. If you have a Pro or higher subscription, you can disable the Powered by OptinMonster link on your campaigns. To do so, navigate to Settings, and then select the Advanced tab. Under Display Settings, toggle the Display Powered by link to Off, and then select Save. The OptinMonster link will no longer display for this campaign. Simply repeat this process for each campaign, or better yet, leave the Powered by OptinMonster link active, become an affiliate, and make OptinMonster work twice as hard for you. For more information on becoming an affiliate, check out the link in this video. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.